So this course is actually part of a series, and currently there are 3 parts in this series. The first part is most suitable for junior developers. I get a lot of emails from my students telling me that when they're given a project, they don't know how to get started. What should be the next step? So in this part, we'll start with the requirements document, and then I will show you how to extract the core use cases that have the most impact on the design of our application. And then we'll build them in a step-by-step fashion over the next few hours. So the focus of this part is to teach you software engineering mindset, how you should think like a software engineer, how you should get a problem, break it down into smaller problems, and solve them step by step. Now, as part of this, we'll also touch on various aspects of front-end and back-end development, such as Entity Framework Code-First Workflow, Bootstrap, data validation, security, artistic aspects of building user interfaces, usability, shortcuts, and so on. And the second part will implement the notification system that you saw in the demo. In this part, there'll be a lot of emphasis on object-oriented design, building APIs, and using Bootstrap to build modern applications. And finally, in the last part, we'll look at architecture and automated testing. Now, chances are you're a bit more experienced and you may want to skip the first part or two. While you're welcome to do that, my recommendation is to start from the very first part and treat this like a real-world project that you start and finish. If we jump straight to the second or third part, you may think I'm coding too fast, or you may be wondering why I have done things in a certain way. If that's the case, you really gotta go back and start from the beginning. If you have watched any of my courses before, you know that I don't waste your time by fluffing or mucking around. So I highly recommend you to watch all the 3 parts thoroughly and go through the exercises I give you along the way. If you do so, I can guarantee that by the end of watching this series, you're going to be an advanced full-stack .NET developer. So, the introduction is finished. In the next section, we're going to kick off development.